Hi everyone, you're watching Bizzi Art, and in this video I'll make a variation of a box. With the colour side up, I'll fold my paper in half on the diagonal and lengthways so I can make a square base. From here I'll take one side and I'll lift it up and flatten it down to make it into a square. For the next step, make sure you have the open ends at the top, and then using that uppermost layer, fold this down. Flip over to the other side and repeat here. Fold the right flap over to the left, then do the same on the other side. Then I'll take the raw edges and fold these towards that centre crease. I'll flip over to the other side to do the same as well. Using the long section with the tip, I'll be folding this downwards like so. Then I'll half this again by folding it inside this layer here. It gets tucked underneath. So I'll flip over to the other side and do the same here. I'll fold the tip all the way downwards, and then I'll fold the smaller section underneath to tuck in that layer here. Once that's done, I'll take the right section and fold it over to the left, and I'll do the same on the other side. I'll do a similar kind of step here. I'll fold the flap upwards to define that line. And then I'll just fold a little bit of that triangle down so then I can tuck this underneath. Then once that's done, there's one more flap I need to tuck in, so I'll flip over to the other side and repeat that one more time. We're coming up to the big reveal, which is really cool. So with your thumbs, pop them inside the hole and then gently pull the edges outwards, and this causes that middle section to collapse. So if I pull the other corners like this, it completes the form of the box. Ta-da! Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.